we're not walking away. And we certainly aren't walking away from you. Our hope was to continue serving the Queen, the Commonwealth, and my military associations, but without public funding. Unfortunately, that wasn't possible. I've accepted this, knowing that it doesn't change who I am or how committed I am. But I hope that helps you understand what it had come to, that I would step my family back from all I have ever known, to take a step forward into what I hope can be a more peaceful life. I was born into this life, and it is a great honour to serve my country and the Queen. When I lost my mum 23 years ago, you took me under your wing. You looked out for me for so long, but the media is a powerful force. But the media is a powerful force. But the media...
So by now, if you guys have been following the Sussexes, we know the situation of Harry with the paparazzi in Britain. So they pretty much left the UK because of all those invasion of privacy and all the false headlines that they were writing about his family. So we all know that they left to have a pretty much peace of mind. So in July, Harry and Meghan filed an invasion of privacy lawsuit over pictures that were taken of Archie, who was about, I think, maybe 14 months old, I believe, at the time. And he was playing with Doria in their backyard. And I remember seeing the pictures, I think it was on YouTube. I saw it. I was like, oh, and I was a bit tempted to share it. But when I looked closely, I saw Doria walking barefoot and all of that. And I said, there's no way this might be in their home. So I sort of held back from doing it. So I'm glad I didn't do that. But anyway, so during that time, I believe Archie was 14 months old. And at that time, they were staying at Tyler Perry's house. Once they saw the pictures were going around, they filed a lawsuit. One of the things they did in their lawsuit file is that they did not name any defendants. So one of the reasons for this is that they didn't know who took the pictures. So what they did is that they sent subpoenas. Subpoena is an order made by a court at the request of a party to a court case that requires the recipient, the person, to either produce document, attend court, to give evidence, or both. So when you receive a subpoena in the US, I don't know about other countries, you have to show up. Otherwise, they will arrest you or there will be some sort of a fine. So what they did was that they sent subpoenas to 3 major celebrity news agencies in LA, which were, those 3 major agencies were Backgrid, Splash News, and X17. So in the end, it turned out to be X17, who was the celebrity news agency who took the pictures. So they knew they were wrong for taking the pictures and the situation that they were in. And they knew that they will not win in court. And if they went to trial, the consequences would have been worse for them. So I just found out they just settled the case. So based on the settlement, X17, which is the news agency who took the pictures, so based on the settlement, which was filed in Los Angeles County Superior Court, X17 has to agree to turn over the photos to the family, which is Meghan and Harry, and destroy any copies in its archive or databases, and never again, can you imagine that? Never again to traffic in any photos of the couple or their son taken by similar means. Now, this is a quote I got from an article, and I'll put the link of that article. I think it's Time. So it says, "And any private residence or the surrounding private ground," close quote. So X17 will also have to pay a portion of the family's legal fee. So Meghan and Harry just did all this and they don't have to spend a dime. And they receive money, whatever settlement that they did. Okay, so they have to pay Harry and Meghan's lawyer. So they pretty much My goodness. So, okay, X17 will pay a portion of family's legal fees according to Mr. Kump, which is Harry and Meghan's lawyer. So pretty much Harry and Meghan just told the paparazzi, you better leave us alone, or if you chase me or my family, I will come after you. But I'm just wondering if that agreement sort of eliminate X17 from taking pictures of them from this point on. Just a question I'm asking myself, but I don't think so. But I think the thing is that they can no longer take any pictures of them based on the existing law that already in the book, like in any private residence or the surrounding of private grounds. So that's a clear message for any American paparazzi agencies who are willing to do the dirty work for the British press. So you guys better leave Harry and Meghan alone and his family. So yeah, that's it. So that's a win for them. So I'm gonna go on Twitter and see what they say now. Alright, so let's see what Twitter has to say about this here. Alright, that's Paige. King Archie after receiving the apology. Oh, and by the way, on the subpoena on the case, and I believe they have to apologize to them for invading their privacy too. That's why. So King Archie received the apology. That's him. I'm the boss. Let's just say it. That's Paige who said that. Alright, don't let it happen again. That's the look. Oh my goodness. The way he stared off, like, so I'm just talking to myself, I guess. They better respect the king. He has that distinct look, looking far away. I think I spoke about this in one of my tweet videos. Their ability to do whatever is necessary to protect their family and child. Yep. So that was a short one. Let's see, what else do I have that talk about Archie? Okay. King Archie winning his first lawsuit, his power. Quote, there's the thing. We apologize to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex and their son for their distress we have caused, X17 said in the statement. Quote, we were wrong to offer these photographs and commit to not doing so again. Oh my goodness, close quote. Reported in the New York Times too. Oh my goodness. Only reputable papers on this here land. Okay. No tabloid shit. All hail the king. Oh my goodness. Mic drop. I know the Sussexes, the squad will have a field day with that. All hail King Archie. Wonder will British media cover this? Rolling eye. Absolutely delighted for them. They've said from the beginning Archie is not for sale. Protective parents. That's fine. King Archie is a winner. Hooray. Look at his face. I hope they got a ton of money also, which they'll give to charity. That's the thing. Yes. Oh. Okay. A North King Archie. Okay, baby, don't play. This is the way. And Archie Trust Fund, yes, for the win. Okay, go King Archie for the win. Long live King. So glad to hear this. Next, King Archie. This is what I told you guys. There are certain battles you cannot fight. You can't take every fight. But this was specifically, I think when they filed that, I did a video. I don't remember which video it was, where I was like, I know they're gonna win this because it's in their private property. I might have looked up some stuff and put whatever law that was in California based on the things that I felt like they probably filed. Okay, King Archie is busy. Yes. Oh my goodness. All right, this is the last one I sort of bookmark. Everyone tell me where he lives. I'm going to take pictures in front of his house. Okay. It's like, come, you'll see. All right, so that's pretty much it. And I'm sure tomorrow morning there will be more about that. So yeah, take a moment to subscribe, like, and share.